NCERT Physics Class 11th 6th chapter Work Power Energy question number 6.18. So a bob of pendulum is released from horizontal position. Length is given as 1.5 meter. When it we are supposed to find the speed when it arrives at the lowermost point, and it is given that 5% of initial energy is lost against air resistance. So in order to solve it, first draw its schematic that initially the pendulum is in horizontal position. So initially the pendulum is horizontal position and the length of the string is 1.5 meter. L is 1.5 meter. When it is released, it will move down. The loss in potential energy will lead to increase in kinetic energy. Here it will achieve some speed v. So initially the particle has potential energy u, and this loss in potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. He is saying that complete potential energy is not converted into kinetic energy as 5% loss is there. So at this situation, the kinetic energy is not equal to complete potential energy, but it is less than potential energy, which is it is less than potential energy by 5%. The kinetic energy final at this point is equal to 95% of potential energy initial potential energy, as 5% is lost due to air resistance. So at this point the kinetic energy is equal to 95% of potential energy initial. If we take this as a reference, so let's say potential energy at this point is equal to 0, so potential energy at this point comes out to be mg into L. So potential energy initial is equal to mgl. So final kinetic energy can be written as half m into v square. That can be written as 95% can be converted into 95 by 100 into potential energy initial, which is equal to mg into L. So the value of m get cancel out. The value of L is given, which is equal to 1.5 meter. On substituting the given values, the speed comes out at the lowest point as 2 into 95 into 1.5, the value of z, that is 9.8 divided by 100. On further solving this, the speed at lowest point comes out to be 5.28 meter per second.